My name is Reverend Shazadgir and I am representing Church of Pakistan and my moderator Bishop Dr. Azhar Marshall. And I am also representing the Christian community of Pakistan. The Christian community of Pakistan expresses grave concerns over the escalating tensions resulting from the recent actions taken by the Indian government following the tragic incident in Falgam, India. Hastily and unjustly placed blame on Pakistan without any credibility, investigation or evidence, rather than pursuing Pakistan's sincere offer of neutral inquiry to identify or evidence. Furthermore, we strongly condemn the cowardly and provocative attack carried by India last night, in which civilian areas including places of worship such as mosques were targeted. Innocent lives have been lost in this act of aggression, and we mourn the martyrs who fell victim in this unjust assault. In response, the Pakistan Armed Forces acted with vigilance and professionalism, intercepting and neutralizing Indian fighter jets in a precise counter operation that served as a clear and dignified reminder: Pakistan is a peace-loving nation, but any violation of its sovereignty will be met with resolve. As member of Christian community, we reaffirm our unwavering solidarity with our armed forces and national leadership. Since the creation of Pakistan, Christian citizens have stood at the forefront of national services, including in defense. Our community has produced gallant officers and soldiers who laid down their lives in past conflicts and continue to do so in the ongoing fight against terrorism. This proud legacy is a testament to our patriotism and commitment to Pakistan's integrity and peace. We urge the international community, global human rights institutions, and the worldwide church to take serious notice of India's escalating rhetoric and aggressive posture. We appeal for global prayers for peace, justice, and comfort for the families who have lost loved ones in this latest assault. Let it be clearly stated, our desire for peace never be misunderstood as a sign of weakness. We stand united as one nation, one people, to defend our homeland against all forms of aggression. The Christian community of Pakistan will continue to play its role on the front lines, offering our voices, our prayers, and if called upon, our very lives for the defense of Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad, افواج Zindabad.